Withdrawing money from Coinbase after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Start by visiting the Coinbase website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the portfolio section. Once logged in, go to the portfolio section of your account. This is where you can view your available balances and select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency to withdraw. Choose a specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on it to open the details page, where you will see options for sending or converting your funds. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal process. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airdrop.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and the destination address. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You may need to complete additional security steps such as two-factor authentication. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding the status of your transaction.